Uy, ano yun?
Closing in on another signal.
Sawtooth. Yun yung tall neck.
Looks like the signal is coming from that tall neck.
Sige. Patayin mo natin yung sawtooth, tapos tsaka natin puntahan itong tall neck. Tamaan ko? Okay, natamaan ko. Oh, dalawa sila. Okay. Hindi ako nakita. Pwede lang ako ng freeze bombs. Actually, pwede ko na i-override ko eh. Pag labanin ko sila.
Faster,
Huwag na ako
faster.
ma-detect. Ayan. Yan natin. Let them fight. Ah. Easy. Patayin ko pa ba ito? Huwag na. Proceed na tayo dun sa tall neck. Ano yun? Uy, may ano ah. Karja. Uy, bagong Glithawk. Tapos yung snap mo. Patay nasa ano. Nasa lake yung... Hindi pa ako nadedetect dito. Tingin ko wag muna natin... Huwag muna tayo mag-dive
Need to get on
dun
the tall neck's
sa...
head.
sa gitna. Kaya ko na ba mag-overreach? Tago. Kaya ko na ba mag-override ng snap? Siguro pwede na, no? Kasi alam ko, nakapag-unlock na tayo ng cauldron na. Ayun, pwede. Para hindi natin ito problemahin. Yan. Nasaan na yung tall neck? Abot ba ako? Abot?
I should be able to jump onto the tall neck from here.
Yan. Game.
Okay, time to climb up to its head.
Saan sunod? But, oops. Grabe yung hitch. Buti na lang na override na natin. Yung snap mo. Kasi previously nitong episode na ito, nagano tayo, nag-cauldron. Okay, tapos na yung tall neck. Maganda pati pag kada override mo ng tall neck, lahat ng surrounding machines is maano, kumbaga mamamatay. Kaya kung napapansin nyo yung discharge animation nung pagbubaba tayo ng tall neck. So ayun yun eh. Nasaan na kaya si Neil? Neil ba yun? Wala si Neil. Mas masaya sana to pag nandyan si Neil. Ang tanong, saan yung entrance? Ano yun? Ano? Leader. Lalapit ka ba?
Marks on them. We get good pay from the slaves.
Ano ba yan? Nakita agad ako. Tago, tago, tago.
That's right. No one here. That's an alarm. Would make enough noise to bring in more.
Labas ka kasi. Yan. Oops. Disable lang muna natin. Palabasin ko kaya siya.
What was that?
Try natin headshot. Dalawang arrows. Okay. Okay. Sige. Tuloy lang. Nakatingin siya, nakatingin siya. Kaya ko ba to? Kaya. Dito muna tayo. Dito
Grab this
muna
now.
tayo. Hindi mo ko kita.
Uh-oh. Could be a stiff.
Ops, 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 ops. Huwag mo ako. Yumuko ka pa. Lima na lang ata. Oh, di ba? Headshot. Nanigurado.
I'd have to ditch something.
Nanigurado lang.
Nearly got me.
Tumagos yun sa'yo. Ba't hindi ka natamaan? Lapit-lapit ko.
Too close. Don't let him sneak off.
Dalawa na lang. Tapos may sawtooth pati oh. Actually malapit at ayan na. Yan na ang Meridian. Hindi pala sawtooth, Thunderjaw. Curious tuloy ako. Level 27. Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya yan. Bago ka pa makarating, sobrang pagod ka na.
It's a crime. I should report it to the Sun Court.
Layo pa rin. Padaan ako.
The Hunter's Lodge admits women and savages now.
Buti hindi sila na-alarma dun sa ano ko. Project ko. Okay, ito na yung babaan.
There was a time when the machines were predictable as day and night. Not
Save
anymore.
lang. Ang dami ah.
Things you least expect that
Ang daming guards. Parang
What's going on here?
napaka-unnecessary naman
Owen's in
para sa
there,
entrance.
Somewhere. And so's Erend, that other Outlander I talked to the night before the proving. Erend said he'd introduce me to his sister if I visited Meridian. Said she was captain of the Vanguard.
Sige, hanapin natin ngayon si Eren.
If this keeps up, I'll be broke in a month.
Ito yung sinasabi nila na ano,
city's locked down.
dinamihan nila yung NPCs dun sa remastered. Grabing, sobrang dami.
Stop right there. In light of the recent attack, no stranger passes into Meridian without submitting to search.
Recent attack? What are you talking about?
The murder of Captain Ursa and her vanguards, of course. Ambushed by Shadow Carja forces in Redridge Pass.
Ursa? You mean Erend's sister is dead?
How would you know his name?
I know Erend. Summon him. I need to speak to him.
Ha! I doubt that Eren, the new captain of the Vanguard, a man in grief, is going to waste his time on a grimy outlander.
Aloy, hey, you're alive. I thought you were dead. Make way, make way.
All the way to Meridian just to see me?
Have you been drinking?
Ah, not really. A little. So you're alive. This we should celebrate. The drink's on me.
We need to talk alone, and you need to pull it together.
Over there.
So you approve?
Of course I approve. From now on, she may come and go from this city as she pleases.
As you wish, sir.
Hindi kita
There.
yung mata.
Alone as you asked. And what did you want to tell me?
Yung sister mo na, makikiramay tayo.
I heard what happened to Ursa. I'm sorry. I know she was special to you.
Special to me? Special to everyone. She always knew what to do. She bossed everyone around. She kept me in line. Now I'm supposed to fill her shoes. And instead, here I am, stumbling around in them.
Ito na lang. Si Ross.
I lost someone too. At the proving, the man who raised me. His name was Rost.
That's terrible. Why is it every time something terrible happens, everyone else tells you the worst thing that ever happened to them, as though that makes it easier?
Yeah, why is that?
Anyway, there was something you wanted to tell me?
A lot has happened since we last spoke. The proving was attacked by a group of killers. Not many of us survived.
We were in the village when we heard explosions up on the mountain. Some of your braves came back, said most of the contestants were dead. I've never heard such a wail of grief as the sound that rose up from your people. How did you survive?
Siya lang
How
kaya
I survived
nakasurvive.
is less important than how I was targeted.
Targeted? What do you mean?
The killers came for me because of Olin.
What are you talking about? That doesn't make sense.
I need to find Olin. I need to know what he knows.
But he's a friend.
No, he's a traitor. I don't know who the killers are or what they want, but I do know that Olin is working with them.
But, I mean, this...
I don't need you to understand Erend. I just need you to take me to him.
He's not here. He went scrounging for scrap and relics days ago. It could be anywhere.
Are there any places he frequents, places he returns to?
A house. Here in Meridian.
Okay, then take me there. I need to search it.
I guess. As long as I'm there to witness the search.
I
Tara.
need to see Olin's place. Now.
Okay, okay. Come on.
Grabe, daming NPCs tsaka guards.
So many people here all talking at once. How does anyone think?
I don't. I just drink.
You'll regret not stopping when you're in the thick of it.
So, iba pa yung Vanguard sa mismong Carja. Oo nga pala, naalala ko. Naalala ko na.
Blood for blood! Vengeance for Ursa! How long will Avad hide in his palace? Year after year, why does he spare those who enslaved and tortured and butchered? Erend, you should want vengeance more than anyone. Your own sister, murdered, and her death, unavenged?
One more word, you scorched out slag, and I'll throw you in jail myself! Now get out of here, or I'll give you all a kick in the ass!
What did he mean about Ursa's murder?
Not now.
Okay, how are we gonna get in? Oh, that was subtle.
Here we are. Try not to break anything. Other than the door.
All of this for one man.
It pays to have connections in the Sun King's court.
Ang ingay, rinig pa rin yung boses ng mga tao sa labas ng bahay.
The corner of this rug is frayed, and the floor near it is worn. Let's see what's underneath.
Hey, how did that get here?
Question is, how to get through it.
Without a key, you won't. That's a vault hatch of Oseram make. Nothing gets through.
We'll see about that.
Negative naman ni Eren. Kalma lang, kaya natin yan. Mabubuksan natin yan.
Girl. You're wasting time.
Pwedeng huwag ka muna magsalita. Peace lang.
Looks big and heavy. Could do a lot of damage if it fell down. Let's give it a little push.
Would you like to buy?
Saktong-sakto, no?
I did say not to break anything, didn't I?
Mataas pala. Bala ko sana diretso ng hulog. Sana. Uy.
Serve and they live. Disobey, and I will open their throats and leave their corpses to prune in the sun.
They took his wife and child captive.
They? Who's they?
The killers. They told him to obey or they'd kill his family.
Yun lang? Marami pa. Dalawa pa. Ano to? Journal. Map. Map muna.
A map. The glyphs show places he visited. Looks like Olin kept a journal.
Olin? I knew he could read contracts, but I never took him for a poet.
No doubt now. Olin knew I was targeted. There's your proof. Read the last page. He writes about meeting me and the order to kill me.
He called himself a friend. That backstabbing cheat. How did you learn to read glyphs? And these things that you see, how do you do it?
The focus. It reveals the unseen.
And Olin's focus, it's the same?
The device is the same, but somehow Olin and the killers can speak to each other with their focuses over distances, and see through each other's focuses too, like looking through each other's eyes.
So that's how the killers saw you? Through Olin?
Yes, so far as I can tell. Now that I know where to find Olin, I should be on my way.
All by yourself?
Leave it to me. I'm faster on my own.
Wait. If that device lets you see the unseen...
Out of the way, Erend.
I'm asking you to help me, Aloy. I need to know who killed Ursa. Not just the Shadow Karja army, I know that, but the exact soldiers who did it.
I'm sorry about your sister, but that's your war, not mine.
Don't act like this isn't personal. You came here hunting the people who nearly killed you, who massacred your people. Why should you have justice and not me? Look, I'll head for Red Ridge Pass, where Ursa's body was found, and wait for you there. A few minutes of your focus is all I need. Don't make me beg.
Red Ridge Pass, you said? I'll see what I can do.
Kawawa naman si Erend. Huwag kang magalala, Erend. Bibigyan kita ng oras. Hindi pwede patayin. Hindi pwede. Okay, sige. Ilang. May broadhead dun. Same lang.
Oh, you're in for a treat.
Ilang na-curious tuloy ako. Parang...
Don't bother me, Outlander. I don't need a mercenary. I need a miracle. Someone who can tell me who slaughtered my men.
I'm a good tracker. Maybe I can help. What happened?
Mass murder. That's what. 5 night guards shredded like cabbage out there in the quarry.
5 men murdered? How?
Don't know. One was a buddy from before the liberation. We worked this quarry together as slaves for the Mad King. My friend, may he walk forever in the light, knew how to fight. Fiends who did this must have had stealth or numbers.
Could machines have killed them?
Don't see how. The quarry is fenced and gated, and I've never seen a Glinthawk do anything like this.
Anything strike you as strange or out of the ordinary?
Well, let's see, oh yeah, chunks of corpses, gushing blood. Sorry. Pressure's getting to me. Not used to murder. Nah, nothing unusual. Well, except we've been doing a little blasting lately, and Saravad said, no, that's just stupid.
You've been using explosives?
Sure. To clear away bedrock and get to the good stuff, we do it for a week or so every year. But that's got nothing to do with the dead. They were torn apart, not blown up.
What exactly did Saravad say?
Ah, nothing. Kept babbling about a pile of rocks out there. Said he didn't remember it from yesterday. I told him that this here is a quarry, where we move rocks all day. So rocks getting moved ain't so surprising, lunkhead.
I'll have a look around the quarry.
If you think it'll help.
Alam ko na to. Yun. Rock breaker to.
Oh, you're in for a treat. It's quite a show.
Tsaka na. Pag kaya natin mag-Thunder Joke, kaya natin mag-Rock Breaker. For now, hindi pa. Wow, dalawang Ravager. Pala kayo dyan. Hindi tayo narinig. Akala ko naka-hunter ko ako pala. Ang daming health. Isa lang ibig sabihin nun.
This'll help.
Game. Ayun na siya. Si Olin.
This is what you intend. To bring these ancient things back to life.
Their power serves us.
Machine demons from beneath the ground. It's a nightmare.
Nightmares. Yes, the worst dreams of our enemies come true. Yes, rise!
For catching him alone.
These things will destroy us all!
They will only destroy our enemies and bring us back the lands that were taken.
My focus. Stop working.
Search the area. We may have intruders.
Forgive this intrusion, Aloy. You left me no choice.
Who is this?
An interested party. Now their focuses are disabled, but I don't know for how long. The rest is up to you.
Who is this?
Faye. Buti na lang. Sino yun? Si Olin to malamang. Si Olin. Mukha naman siyang onti lang, pero kasi may corruptors, kaya pwede tayong okay, isa na lang. Woo! Buti na lang nandun yung log. Kita ba niya ako? Hindi niya ako kita. Huwag ka lang umakyat. Sabing huwag umakyat eh. Hello. Since ikaw may blaze naman sa likod.
Fire!
Haven't you gotten...
Kita ko ba siya? Kita ko ba siya? Hindi. Nabahan ako. Okay. Stay put ka lang. Hindi, lumalakad-lakad siya. Okay yan. Hindi. Stay put lang kasi kayo.
Looks like I'm clear.
Patay, pupunta siya dito. Just in case lang.
They're scanning for me.
Okay. Kaya na to eh. Sige, last. Meron pa dun. Kita. Headshot. Itatago siya. Last two. Oh, bigla nakipaglaban si Alden. Okay, sige, game na. Padaliin lang natin yung set. Ano ba yan? Overheat na lang. Masakit yun ha, masakit. Overheat. Stock lang. Sa yung core. Hindi pa yun overheat? Okay. You know. Ito ba yan? Ito lang. Maubusan ako ng health bago ko siya mapatay. Wait lang. Pwesto.
You alright?
Game. Okay, sige, loot.
I promise. I'll tell you everything.
I know you will. The killers who came for me at the Proving. Who are they?
The Eclipse. Some kind of holy warriors. A cult of the Shadow Carja.
Shadow Carja?
Except they're not like any Carja I've known. They don't pray to the sun. They worship some kind of devil.
I'm not interested in their superstitions.
Oh, it's not a superstition. Their devil is real. It has a name, a voice, the most terrible voice, and they do its bidding.
You say this devil the Eclipse worship has a name?
Hades. That's what they call it.
Hades. And you've heard it speak?
Steel to my soul. I heard. Just once, when it saw you. Such a voice. A cold, awful jangle. It scrapes your bones. It hollows your guts. A metal sound, but like nothing dug from the earth or smelted in a forge.
And what did it say?
System threat detected. Just 3 words. But in the voice of a devil.
What are these Eclipse cultists after, besides me?
They never said. But given the Carja civil war, they must want to overthrow Sun King Avad and take Meridian back.
What do I have to do with that?
I don't know.
When they attacked the Proving, a man came for me. Tall, strong, dead eyes.
Helis.
And who is he?
The terror of the sun. Stacker of corpses, we Oseram called him, when he was the Mad Sun King's champion. If only he'd died with his king. But now he leads the Eclipse. I tell you, he's the most dangerous man alive.
How did the Eclipse recruit you? I know they took your family hostage, but why you?
I was a scrounger, a rummager in dark places, good at what I do. I suppose they knew I would serve them well as a scout. I had taken a delve near Maker's End. When I surfaced, they were waiting. I laughed when I saw the priest, but then he showed me Helis's encouragement. I didn't laugh after that. They gave me a focus to watch my every move. I followed orders.
You had access to Meridian. Why didn't they get to Avad through you?
Too much dirt under my nails for an audience with the one true Sun King. But whatever Ursa or Aaron told me, the Eclipse heard every word through my focus. That's why I couldn't warn you. If I'd tried, they would have killed my family.
May kumakalembang, siguro, may nag-glitch siguro na chest or baka machines.
Why are the Eclipse digging up ancient machines? And how do they get them to work?
I thought they wanted them for scrap, but they brought them back to life. Plugged some kind of device into the corpses so that Hades could whisper to them and call them from their grave.
I've fought that kind of machine before. Are there others?
Yes, the ones you fought today they called corruptors, but there are others, much bigger, bristling with ancient weapons. Those they call Deathbringers. I've only seen them buried in the ground, but after today, anything is possible.
Sounds to me like they're raising an army.
If so, the world will fall. And I helped dig the pit.
Last na.
The Eclipse were sent to kill me because I look like another woman. Older, maybe twice my age, short hair. Who is she?
I don't know. My focus found her image once, in the ruins at Maker's End. Maybe you can find her there.
You found her image in the ruins? How?
There was a door. Beside it, a kind of ancient device that contained the woman's image. My focus recorded the location. You do look like her. Is she your mother?
I'm the one asking questions. I've heard enough. It's time to finish this.
I won't beg for my life. But if there's any mercy in you, free my family. Please.
Where would I find them?
My focus recorded the location. There are always guards there. You look like you can handle yourself.
Tingin mo, pagkatapos ng nakita mo, nakapatay ako ng 2 corruptors tapos isang grupo ng mga cultists. After, wala ka namang ginawa. Masama eh. Sige. Redeem yourself.
It will take many good deeds to make up for the crimes you've committed.
You're sparing me? After all I've done?
Yes. Forge a new life, Olin. One of better make.
Then the rest of my life will be lived in your debt.
Go to the place where your family is being held and wait for me. We'll make their lives the first ones you save.
I didn't earn this mercy, but I will die to make myself worthy of it. I will be waiting for you.
Wala naman talaga siyang ginawang masama. No choice.